Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind.
Good morning, welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie and today I am getting it all done. Everything I have on my to-do list I need to get done, and I'm going to show you. So this is just what I have on my list that I need to get done. I need to clean the kitchen, the dining room, the blankets. I need to get those washed. I already started one of them earlier this morning. And I need to fix the curtains, and I need to finish editing, which that is actually done, and work out and make chicken noodle soup. So the working out, I'm not going to film working out because I'm just going to fix this because it's going out like that, so it's not going around the window like I want it to. So I need to take them down and flip them and get them where they will actually go around the window, because they don't, and then light comes in, so I don't like the way that looks. So we're just gonna get those fixed. But what I was saying was, I'm not gonna film riding my bike working out because I'll just put on a TV show. And I've been watching Shameless, which is not kid appropriate at all. So I watch like 1 or 2 episodes before the kids get home from school. I try to get all of my stuff done to where I have at least 2 extra hours, like my time. So, and I just ride my bike while. But that is what I'm talking about. That looks so much better versus that. So I do need to get longer curtains, but when I find what I want, I'll get those. I just couldn't take those other ones no more.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you.
It looks so much better already. And it goes around the window. Well, I need to pull this piece down a little bit more, and then it'll go all the way around the window.
I don't wanna seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed.
So I'm just getting the dishwasher loaded up, and as you can see, there's tons of Fruity Pebbles in the sink. Instead of them throwing that in the trash, they just put their bowl with cereal left in it in the sink for me to clean up. So I'm just going to finish loading up this dishwasher and getting the sink cleaned out, and then after I'm done with this, I start washing all of the dog bowls, and there's quite a bit of dog bowls, and then we have a bowl that we leave outside for water for them, and then the cat has a water bowl. So I was just trying to get all of those washed up. But I was out of dish soap on my little dish soap dispenser, so I'm just going to fill that back up right fast. And also, I just want to say, once I am done washing the dog bowls, I do throw that sponge away. I do not use that on dishes because that's just kind of gross. Because their dog bowls, they tend to get pretty dirty pretty fast. They do eat all day. So I keep food down for them all day long because I'm at home to let them out whenever they need to go out. So I offer food all day. So every other day, their bowls get washed. They really need to get washed every night, every evening, but you know, sometimes they just don't. So they'll get washed that next day or that next evening. So now I'm just going to go in with my soft scrub. I love this stuff. And I just squirt it throughout the sink and I just start scrubbing. I did buy a bigger scrub brush for the sink, and the one I was using on the sink got switched over to window sills, scrubbing those out. So I am just going to get those sink cleaned out, and then I'm going to get them rinsed and get moved on to the next thing.
With my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both learned everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed. I wanna hold you. Come back to bed.
But you'll see here in a second, I put all of mine and my husband's vitamins right here by the coffee maker because it just reminds us to take them every single day. Because if they're in the cabinet, I don't drink coffee every morning, especially since it's gotten a lot warmer. So I don't see them and I forget to take them. So if they're just sitting right there by the coffee maker, I'll remember. So now I'm just getting this countertop wiped down. And I was checking my jars to make sure, to see what I had left in there, make sure they weren't bad. And I was checking my potatoes to make sure they were still good. But a couple of them, they weren't. They needed.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
I was just quickly getting this cleaned off, and then when I moved the bread box, I found my glasses, and I had been looking for those for a while. So now I'm just going to get everything put back, but I think after Easter, I'm going to keep this bar cleared off, and I am on the search of finding bar stools that I want that'll look good in here. I just haven't really found what I want. So, because I don't know if I want the ones that swivel or the ones that looks kind of like my tall chairs at my kitchen table. I think that is more or less what I'm leaning towards, but I have not been able to find any like those yet. And I was using that infused glass cleaner to wipe down my refrigerator, and it got it pretty clean. I was pretty impressed. So far, I am loving this product. And for y'all that are new, I have talked about this product in my last 2 videos, so go back and check those out. And over there in that corner, I need to take those sheets and blanket to the laundry room and get those washed, because I just got done filming my spring cleaning and I'm getting the kitchen table cleaned off, and that's really all I do in this area for this day, is because it was Friday and I was just trying to get the table cleared off so we can eat dinner at the table this evening, but also trying to get things done because on the weekends I don't really do a lot. I hang out with my husband and the kids, and most of the time we're outside. Since it's gotten really nice, we've been outside working on the greenhouse and the garden. So we're outside pretty much all day. So I just want to get the house cleaned up on Friday, and then we just don't have to worry about it.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
So that is pretty much everything on my list besides workouts, which I'm going to do that here in a little bit. And then make the kids this chicken noodle soup, which I am waiting on my chicken to thaw out. And then I'll get that started, and I'll show y'all how I make my chicken noodle soup. So I put 2 boxes of chicken broth in, and then I put my chicken so it can go ahead and start cooking. And I chopped up a whole onion, and I put about 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, just because we like garlic, and this is a big pot of chicken noodle soup, so I wanted to make sure I had more than enough. And I am using a Jack Daniel's chicken rub seasoning, and seasoned, put that in there. And then I was also using a chicken seasoning, I don't remember exactly the name of it, and salt and pepper. And then I will grab out here in a few seconds a few more different spices. That was not bay leaves at all. That was something else. So the label got messed up on it. So this was my bay leaves. So I have to go in and take those labels off and fix those. So, and I used a little bit of fajita seasoning and put that in there as well. I like a lot of flavor and a lot of different seasonings. So, and I'm just using this pasta. I normally use egg noodle pasta, but I just didn't have none. So I am using what I have on hand. And I normally put celery in and carrots and my peas, but I didn't have celery and I didn't have carrots. So I just went with the corn. But honestly, if you do the carrots and the celery and the peas, it gives it a better flavor, in my opinion. So if you have the celery and carrots, add that instead. And I just added my chicken in after I got it all plucked off the bone. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And if y'all try the chicken noodle soup, let me know down below how y'all like it. And my spring cleaning in the kitchen is coming up. That is going to be my very next video, and that will be up on Tuesday. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful week, and I will talk to you guys on Tuesday. Bye.